guys? We out here again with another vlog. Right now we're going to work. We're gonna pick up Brennan. I love this on-ramp right here. Alright guys, so right now we're pulling up on Brenna's house. Trying to go super slow because we don't want to wake up his neighbors. There he is. I don't think he can see me. Good morning, Brenna. Hey! I got that YouTube rolling.
Hey, you
know
better
what
block
I'm saying?
out my address though. I don't want nobody knowing where I am.
No. Your address is not on the video, bro.
Yeah, we'll see.
Your face is though.
Yeah, we'll see.
Yeah, for real.
Alright, where we headed?
I don't know. You tell me, dog.
Fuck if I know.
What are we getting some coffee or something?
Coffee. I think
Coffee.
we're running close to being late here.
Timmy host.
9:19.
Ah, fuck. Is it?
Yeah, if you go through the plaza.
I don't. You wait right now.
Huh? I'll make one here all day.
Where we going right now, Brenna?
Fucking Target. Get off your phone. You're gonna kill us. You're gonna kill us.
Where we at, Brenna?
Fuck Target.
We're at Target early in the morning.
It's not even that early.
We got sent out to get some sillies.
Y'all said sent out to get some sillies. What were
You already know, guys. You gotta have that Celsius early in the morning. Energy. Here we got the Celsius. Brenna, you see that Oasis, bro?
The Oasis.
Oasis.
Okay. All right.
We get
It's
that
Oasis,
Oasis.
my guy. It's Oasis.
That's where we're the only brown people here.
Break some records with this thing.
Alright guys, we're heading to the shop now.
God damn! I cannot believe you right now.
How?
You always want. You know what? We're
We
gonna
got
have
the
a vlog.
Celsius in the back. You already know.
You scared her, dude. You scared her.
I don't go.
Fook!
Look at that fucking Civic, yo.
Wang.
Looks
Big
like
Wang gang.
Looks like a pussy car.
Whoa. You about to scrape?
Oh!
Ooh. Too close, brother. Too close. Hold on, I gotta get my computer parts in.
Ladies, dude. Where's your hat, bro? I'll put the song again.
Yeah. My hang
Hold
on.
on, it's not even...
What? Why ain't you recording?
Because.
I have it here, motherfucker. Just ain't rocking it. Letting the curls out.
I don't know why he's not wearing his hat right now, but...
I got the curls.
That's something new. He got the curls, he said.
Same.
He probably got complimented with that chick.
He got too much sauce.
Alright guys, we're heading to the shop. See you soon. Peace. Alright guys, so this section right here is going to be a time lapse of me taking apart the Supra. So I hope you enjoy. It's going to be really long, so sit back, relax, and enjoy the time lapse. Finally done. That looks good. Look at that tips. We got the lab exhaust. And Alex is doing the speaker, upgraded speaker on the STO. Yeah, got the Supra over here. Can't show you the color yet, but definitely stay tuned for more videos. That'll be it.